stress management techniques for everyday life. In our fast-paced world, stress has become an almost inevitable companion. However, by incorporating some practical techniques, we can learn to manage and even reduce stress effectively. First, let's delve into mindfulness exercises. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment, fully engaging with our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. One effective way to practice mindfulness is through meditation. Begin by finding a quiet space, sitting comfortably, and closing your eyes. Focus on your breath, feeling each inhale and exhale. When your mind inevitably wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This practice helps to anchor your mind, reduce anxiety, and cultivate a sense of peace. Next, we have breathing techniques, which are simple yet powerful tools to combat stress. One popular method is the 4-7-8 technique. Start by exhaling completely through your mouth. Inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale completely through your mouth to a count of 8. Repeat this cycle 3 more times. This technique helps to regulate your nervous system, inducing a state of calm and relaxation. Time management is another crucial aspect of reducing stress. Often stress arises from feeling overwhelmed by tasks and deadlines. To manage your time effectively, start by prioritizing your tasks. Make a to-do list and categorize items as urgent, important, or less critical. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Utilize tools like calendars, planners, or productivity apps to keep track of your schedule. By organizing your time, you can reduce the chaos and gain a sense of control over your day. Finally, let's discuss the importance of prioritizing self-care. Self-care is not a luxury. It's a necessity for maintaining mental and emotional well-being. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's reading, exercising, or spending time with loved ones. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, eating nutritious meals, and staying hydrated. Practicing self-compassion is also vital. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during challenging times. In conclusion, managing stress is about integrating mindfulness, breathing techniques, effective time management, and prioritizing self-care into our daily routines. By doing so, we can navigate the pressures of life with greater ease and resilience. Remember, taking care of your mind and body is the foundation for a healthier, happier life. Incorporating daily habits that promote happiness can significantly improve your overall well-being and quality of life. Here are some habits to consider. Practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This could be as simple as appreciating a sunny day, a delicious meal, or the support of a friend. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Even a short walk or quick workout can make a big difference. Mindfulness and meditation. Spend some time each day practicing mindfulness or meditation to help reduce stress and increase your sense of inner peace. Healthy eating. Nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods. Get enough sleep. Prioritize sleep by ensuring you get at least 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. A well-rested mind is a happy mind. Connect with loved ones. Spend quality time with family and friends. Social connections are crucial for emotional support and happiness. Learn something new. Challenge your mind by learning a new skill or hobby. This can bring a sense of achievement and joy. Acts of kindness. Perform small acts of kindness, whether it's helping a neighbor, volunteering, or simply offering a smile to a stranger. Giving back can boost your own happiness. Set goals and celebrate achievements. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Achieving goals can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Limit screen time. Reduce the amount of time spent on screens, especially social media, which can sometimes lead to negative feelings. Instead, engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Self-care. Make time for self-care activities that you enjoy, whether it's reading, taking a bath, or pursuing a hobby. Taking care of yourself is essential for happiness. Positive affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths, accomplishments, and the things you appreciate about yourself. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can create a more positive and fulfilling life. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall happiness. And if you found meaning in these reflections, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay connected with more inspiring content. Together, let's make each moment count.